Hi, I am Dr. V.K. Narendra Kumar, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Gobi Arts and Science College, Gobi City, Palayam. Programming, it's called OOPS and Java Revolution. Object-oriented programming, OOPS concept in Java language. Object-oriented programming, as the name suggests, object-oriented programming is called OOPS, refers to language that use objects in programming. Object-oriented programming aims to implement real-world entities like inheritance, hiding, polymorphisms in Java programming. The main aim of OOPS is to bind together the data and the functions that operate on them that no other part of the code can access this data except that function. OOPS concepts: object, class, data encapsulation, data abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, dynamic binding, message passing. Inheritance is an important pillar of OOPS. It is the mechanism in Java by which one class is allowed to inherit the features like fields and methods of another class. Terminologies of inheritance is superclasses and subclasses. The class whose features are inherited is also class or a base class or a parent class. The subclass, the class that inherits the other class, is also as subclass or a derived class or extended class, or sometimes we call as a child class. The subclass can add its own fields and methods in addition to the superclasses. Fields and methods. Reusability. Inheritance supports the concept of reusability, is that when we want to create a new class and there is already a class that includes some of the code that we want, we can derive our new class from that existing class. By doing this, we are reuse the fields and methods of the existing class. The keyword used for inheritance is called extends. Polymorphism refers to the ability of OOPS